So this humidifier is $21.59 right now on Amazon. There's a coupon, a $23 coupon, and a 50% off promo code. Both will be in the link in my bio, so just click the link in my bio and you'll see it on the homepage. It's 6.5 liters. The top comes off, so you fill it from the top and you clean it from the top, so it's not like the other ones where you have the bottom part and all that other stuff. So it's easy to clean. It's supposed to run for 54 hours. I've only used mine at night, so I don't really know if it runs that long. But it comes with a cute little blue night light. You just hold the power button down, and then it has 3 different settings. It has low, medium, and high, cool mist humidifier. It's been really working well for us because we've been running the air a lot with this dry, hot weather. And it's been helping us, with not so dry throats in the morning because of this weather and the air running so much. So I recommend it, especially for only $21. I don't know how long the promo code's gonna last or the coupon is gonna last. So grab yours now for $21.59 on Amazon. Link will be in my bio with the promo code. Have a good Saturday.